When you solve an absolute value equation, we already know that 4, so we could plug in 4 and we would get 4, right? We already know, as Hannah said, we could plug in negative 4 and we would get 4. So she presented both of these numbers. Both of them obviously work. If I plugged in positive 4, I do get 4. If I plugged in negative 4, I do get 4. Either one of them worked. There were two great options brought up when I said, what should we do to actually write the answer to this? Very, very similar. Negative 4 and 4, negative 4 or 4. Clearly, they both work. And it seems like a very strange distinction. So is it going to be negative 4 and 4? Is it going to be negative 4 or 4? They're basically the same thing. But there's a difference between these. This just says x, right? Which means this is only one thing. Can one number be negative 4 and 4 at the same time? No. If I asked you to plug in one number, could you choose negative 4 or 4? Yes, you could. So the word or actually does make a difference in how we explain what this means. So our proper response would be negative 4 or 4 in response to this question. I am okay with you not using either the word the word and or the word or. Instead, if you want to, you can simply say that the answer is negative 4, and you could put a 4. Or, and this may be the first time that you have seen a response written this way, a very common way of writing this when the answer options are both positive or negative of the exact same number, is you see this little symbol where we have our 4 and we say it could be positive or negative.